Hello, friends. Are you ready for the next short story? The title of the story is Focus on Your Work. A woman used to go to the temple every day. One day, that woman told the priest that now I will not come to the temple. The priest asked, Why? Then the woman said, See, people talking about their business with their phones in the temple premises. Some have chosen the temple itself as a place to gossip. Some hypocrites worship less and show off more. On this, the priest remained silent for some time and then said, Right, but before taking your final decision, can you do something that I want you to do? The woman said, You tell me what to do. The priest said, Fill a glass of water and circumambulate the temple premises 2 times. The condition is that the water of glass should not fall. The woman said, I can do this. Then, in a short while, that woman did it. After that, the priest of the temple asked 3 questions to the woman. First question, have you seen someone talking on the phone? Second question, have you seen anyone gossiping in the temple? Third, have you seen anyone doing hypocrisy? The woman said, No, I did not see anything. Then the priest asked, When you were circumambulating, your full attention was on the glass so that water should not fall from it. So you could not see anything. Similarly, if you keep your attention on God while doing parikrama for other days also, then you would not come to know about the work done by other people. The moral of the story is we should focus our attention on our actions rather than finding the shortcomings of others. Have a great day. God bless you all. Thank you for listening to the stories.